Well, it is finally warming up. No clouds. It's very nice today. Just middle of last week we had a high, or early last week we had a high of 48 still, and it was raining and raining and raining, and that's all we've had until mid-June. And now we're finally getting out and planting a garden, and it is nothing like what we were hoping to do this year. We were trying to garden an area we haven't gardened in years and years and years, and we didn't have time to get out here and really layer everything with all the rain we had and kill off the grass. So we're planting among the grass. But real quick, I wanted to show you tomatoes. When you plant tomatoes, you can plant it straight in the ground, just like this.
Yeah.
Or you can lay this down and cover it up. And that part of the stem is going to develop more roots. And let me show you one. This is a container right here, a starting pot, and I just cut this section of 12 cells off of it. I don't recommend these, they're a pain in the butt. But I noticed this tomato right here, it grew, let's see here, it looks like it actually grew. I can't even tell which one the original pot was. These tomatoes, though, they're growing out of one pot, and they got bent over, and they're putting down roots. Let's see, they're putting down roots in these other pots. As you can see right here at my finger, those are more roots, and they're going into this next cell over. And so they will, wherever they touch the ground, they will put roots down, which is good in that you can get a really, really strong root system, and it will really provide a lot. And then here, I have one that just came out of the other pot. It was in this one where it's hard to tell, but the soil was coming out of it right here, and it was stuck inside of here. And so you can see, I mean, that's a really, really nice root system developed on that just from this one touching, and it's into this pot. And let me pull this up because this is not the pot it was originally in, the cell. I don't think it was, maybe it was. Oh, we have two of them in this pot.
Is that your soil? What are you getting soil?
Oh, you know what? This one, I see. This one was in the other pot, and it put roots into this one here. That's why it grabbed a hold. It actually has, I think, a stronger grip right here than it did. Okay, I'm seeing it now. So it's completely out of the dirt now, and I have to get it in the dirt. So it was here, and then it planted, it grew more roots. So there you go, you can see that. And this is an Oxheart pink tomato that we sell the seeds on our website, clearwatervalleyfarms.com. But as you can see, they will develop roots all the way down the stem. I mean, you could pull these, a lot of guys on their young ones, they'll pull the bottom leaves off and plant all the way past. They'll come all the way up here. And once this develops roots all the way, a foot of roots, it really just takes off. All right, guys, just wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Check out clearwatervalleyfarms.com.